Hey Pinterest, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous Pinterest Shalomi, and today I am super excited to be participating in this outdoor living space collab hosted by Catherine over at Amateur Decorating Like a Pro and co-hosted by the amazing ladies of the Dream Team. Now we've been tasked with decorating an outdoor space of our choice with colors of our choice. And with this, we'll also be doing a giveaway. So you must watch this video in its entirety to get the qualifying information to enter. Now let's go ahead and put this porch together. So if you've been with me for any time at all, you will know that I live in Canada and the weather here is just bipolar, okay? We've had rain for 5 straight days. Today is the first day of sunshine and I am so excited. And the week before that, we had snow. Okay, so don't judge me. Now let's clean this all up and go ahead and put all the decor together. So the first thing I'll do is I'll start with the cleaning. I am currently cleaning the doors. I went ahead and swept the floors. And of course I went and shopped my home to see what I could find to put in my space, even if I had to upcycle it. Now after all that sweeping and cleaning and mopping and spray painting, we're at the fun part, putting the decor together. I've had these cushions for years, but they do the job just fine. Here I'm adding some little cute pieces. This is a citronella candle that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, along with these beautiful butterfly votives that I just absolutely love, and they just tie the whole space together quite beautifully. And here is the reveal, guys. Everything turned out great, looking absolutely beautiful. As you can see at the bottom step, I have planted some flowers. Now I don't have a green thumb, but I think I did okay. What do you guys think? Now right above, I do have some hanging plants, and I get these every year. I get them in different colors. But this year, my favorite color is yellow, and I'm going with sunshine yellow all the way. And here you can see my table with a wide tray that's corralling all my cute little items, and my upcycled vase with beautiful yellow flowers from the Dollarama. Absolutely gorgeous. Now this chair with these cushions are oldies but goodies. They are actually patio furniture that we have moved to the front porch. There are many other pieces to them, but we just use these 2 pieces all the time, the table and this 2-seater, because there's a lot more action going on at the front than in the back. So we love to sit on our front porch, have coffee, have tea or whatever, and we just absolutely love sitting here. Now here I have 2 full plants that I actually got from my neighbor. I bought them off her because she was going to put them out, and I just spray painted the pots in black to kind of go with my theme for this year. Who knows, maybe next year they'll be a different color. But for right now, I'm doing the black, white, and the beautiful sunshine yellow. Walking up toward the door, I got me a new welcome mat with a little bit of color in it. It's not as big as I would have liked it to be, but it does the job. And here are my doors. I wanted to put wreaths on them, but didn't want to take away from that mirror effect that it has, so I just left it as is. I got these beautiful hanging baskets a few years ago from the Value Village. It has a lot of detail, and I love to use them here. Last year I had them in silver. This year I put them in black to go with my theme. Now let's talk about the giveaway. To qualify to win the giveaway, you must be a confirmed subscriber to all the channels that are participating in this collab. Secondly, you must leave a comment in the comment section below stating, "I want to win the 2020 Dream Team giveaway." The lucky winner will receive an entire table setting, all donated by the Dream Team. Just take a look at that. Isn't that amazing? My contribution will be these beautiful tea light candle holders with candles that I can only show you a picture of as of now because I'm waiting for them to come in the mail. Be sure to check my description box for all the rules, and good luck to everyone. I will also be leaving the playlist of this collab in my description box below. That way you can go over to all my other sisters participating in this collab and show them some love. Tell them I sent you. And this is all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly do appreciate your presence, and I hope you enjoy the tour of my front porch. And if you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you came over from one of my other sisters' channels, leave me a comment below and let me know who sent you. And while you're here, I'd love for you to consider joining the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And don't you forget to hit that notification bell. That way you are the first to know when I upload videos such as this. And to all my oldies but goodies, you know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Shalomi saying bye-bye.